Friends, as per the talking, we are going to start the basics of the organic chemistry. So, these sessions we are going to talk about only basics of the organic chemistry. So, what's the relation between organic chemistry and you, and we, and of course, what is the relationship between us? Why we need to study about that? Actually, science is about the all in 19th century. We all know about the science and physics and all. After the so many discoveries and their understanding, chemistry is a central subject. We all know that it's us dealing with what's the organic chemistry, why organic chemistry, and there's just so many things to understand it. Organic chemistry is all about the chemical reactions we all wear, it drugs we are using, we all the plastics, all the materials we are using at today, it's made up of organic compounds. And what's a what, and it's very important for us to understand why organic compound, from which type of organic compounds we're going to be prepared, and from everything have the same chemical structures, chemical, all are the same carbon and hydrogen combinations, but their difference started when they are connected with them with a different manner, they are behaving with a different manner. And how it's possible to understand it, we need to understand quantum chemistry. So exactly in the same point, we need to fill gaps between between reactions and the life. Sometimes the existence of the carbon and their carbon and hydrogen bonds, same with the non-living things and the same with the non-living things, but their behavior is so different. Something is different in a living thing and something is more different in a non-living thing. So exactly in the same point, we need to understand it, focus on those things, how chemists cooperate with physics to make something more in interactions with the to understand, and interactions of the molecules, how it's in and when it is chemistry, when organic chemistry is combined with biology, it's giving to so much new things about the interaction and the give why the life exists, we understanding and how it's working. So at the same point, we need birds build net every there is a myth, there is only a myth about the organic chemistry, is that ki organic chemistry is only about that living things, but this myth is broken by vital theory. We are all following vital theory, but after that some chemist Holler and other reacted and experimented and prepared some organic compounds in their labs. After that, this myth is totally clear that we don't need to. And exactly in the same point, we all say that organic chemistry is a unnatural synthetic type of study, but it's not like that. Organic chemistry is all about natural things, to study the natural things happening, like when you know about birds, the same example, take an same example that birds builds nest. Okay, they builds nest, everything is unnatural in a natural world, means we need to create. So organic chemistry is not a unrealistic, natural, unnatural and synthetic thing, it is a subject of natural science. So exactly in the same point, we don't compare with it that it's only talk about those contents that not me. Say here we getting take an example, like if, when I'm talking to you, and same point, your mind secrete a compound called serotonin, and that's chemical reactions is taking place in your mind, and that's all we studied in organic chemistry. That's the relationship between organic chemistry and us. So exactly at the same point, we know about the organic chemistry, how it is started with preparations, and after in next video we'll talk about the how organic chemistry is all compound, and we'll see about the most and natural organic compounds with their structures. Stay tuned to this channel, and if you like and support me for, and of course encourage me uh, to do more. And I think you will. Thank you so much to all of you.